Hey everyone, did you know the right laptop can totally transform the way you work as an architect? Imagine being able to design with ease, handle complex models, and collaborate smoothly, all from one powerful device. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 6 laptops for architects available on Amazon right now. By the end, you'll know which one is the best choice for your design needs. Make sure to check out the links in the description for all the details. So, if you're an architect struggling to find the perfect laptop to make your design tasks easier and faster, stay tuned. I'll break down each option for you, comparing their specs, performance, and value so you can choose the one that fits your work style. Let's get started. Number 6. Lenovo ThinkPad P16s. First up, we've got the Lenovo ThinkPad P16s. This laptop is a great option if you need a solid device that balances power and practicality. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U, it's strong enough to handle demanding tasks like development and design without overheating. The 16-inch 1WQXGA screen offers plenty of space for multitasking, allowing architects to work on multiple windows and design software simultaneously. Its build quality is impressive, with a sturdy chassis that ensures durability. However, the cooling system can get noisy during intense work, and the bulky design may not be ideal for those seeking portability. Additionally, the keyboard could be better, especially for long typing sessions. Overall, if you need a powerful laptop with a larger screen for multitasking, the ThinkPad P16s is a solid choice. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 2023. Next up is the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, a game changer for creative professionals. With the Intel Core i7 13th Gen and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 48 GPU, it's a powerhouse that can handle design software and multitasking with ease. The standout feature of this laptop is its convertible design, transforming into a drafting tablet when used with the Surface Pen, sold separately. The 14.4-inch touchscreen with 120Hz refresh rate offers smooth visuals perfect for sketching and designing. While the build quality feels premium, the price tag may be steep for some, especially with the additional cost of the Surface Pen. If you're an architect who values flexibility and portability, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is definitely worth considering, though be aware of the added costs. Number 4. Dell XPS 17900099730. For architects who need both power and a large display, the Dell XPS 17 is a fantastic option. Equipped with Intel Core i7/i9 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40504080G, the 17-inch UHD plus touchscreen delivers sharp, vibrant visuals, ensuring your designs look flawless. It's perfect for intricate architectural work, offering impressive color accuracy. However, the XPS 17 is heavy and bulky, which might make it less portable. The webcam resolution could also be better for video calls and meetings. If you're willing to trade portability for power and need a large screen, the Dell XPS 17 is a top contender. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 14+7420. The Dell Inspiron 14+7420 is a compact powerhouse for architects who need portability without sacrificing performance. Powered by the Intel Core i7 12700H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, it's perfect for running design software like CAD and 3D modeling. While it may not have the same raw power as other laptops on this list, it offers solid performance for most architectural tasks. The 2.2K resolution screen provides good color accuracy, though its brightness could be improved for outdoor use. While it's budget-friendly, the lid feels a bit flimsy and the display might not be bright enough for working in direct sunlight. If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop that can handle design work, the Inspiron 14 Plus 7420 offers great value for the price. Number 2. Acer Nitro 5 AN51558525P. If you need a budget-friendly laptop that doesn't compromise on performance, the Acer Nitro 5 is a great choice. Powered by the Intel Core i7 12500H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, this gaming laptop can handle rendering and architectural work though it's not built specifically for professional design tasks. The 144Hz 1080p IPS display is solid, but it lacks color accuracy, which could be a downside for those working with design software that requires precise colors. The laptop also offers excellent connectivity options and a solid keyboard for long typing sessions. However, poor battery life and a lack of display vibrancy may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, the Acer Nitro 5 offers great performance on a budget, but it may not be ideal for those requiring accurate color reproduction. Number 1. Acer Swift 3 SF3 1444R3ZM. Finally, at number 1, we have the Acer Swift 3 SF3 1444R3ZM, a perfect option for architects on a tight budget who still need decent performance for everyday tasks. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 500U processor and 16 GB RAM, it's capable of handling light design tasks like CAD software and document editing with ease. While it won't tackle heavy rendering or 3D modeling, it's more than sufficient for day-to-day tasks. The IPS panel provides decent visuals for everyday use, though it's not the brightest for outdoor work. If you need a lightweight, affordable laptop for basic design tasks, the Acer Swift 3 is a great choice, but its limitations in Wi-Fi performance, display brightness, and non-upgradable RAM may be factors to consider. After comparing performance, display quality, portability, and price, the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 takes the crown. Its unique convertible design, strong performance, and solid display make it the best option for architects who want versatility and power in one device. While it's on the expensive side, the investment is worthwhile if you're looking for a laptop that adapts to your needs, whether you're drafting or collaborating. Thank you for watching. Let me know which laptop you would choose in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be on the hunt for a new laptop.